All right, Pete here, and this is the repaired tour of 1546 Huron Drive. If you saw the first part, dramatically different. So it's just going to be a quick tour. This is the garage. You can see everything's clean, nice and painted. Still a little cleanup. Let's go upstairs. HVAC system was newly updated. Okay, walking into the home. Well, when you see the before, you'll recognize it's not even doesn't look like the same place, pretty much. So all LVP flooring, everything else was ripped out, all the broken doors replaced. A lot of small stuff I'm not going to mention. Light fixtures that were required, replaced. So slightly changed the design of this. Maybe we should have LVP'd all the stairs. We did the basement, but we did not LVP this first floor. So we went with granite countertops, inlaid kitchen, new appliances, stainless steel Samsung, all with warranty. Kept the original tile floor. The original tile actually was not in bad shape. So it gave a blend, and the tile backsplash we kept too. Was a blend between the new and the old. Of course, that's what you do when you're trying to save money and still have a good flip. We ended up selling this for $300,000. Repainted the deck. LVP landing. Bathroom redone. Broken water valves. Master. So of course it did take quite a bit to get the pet smell out, but this just gives you a great idea. You know what can be done. In the basement, you can see the flooring, LPV flooring. Second sink. Okay. And of course to the garage. Okay. And here's our property preview of 1546 Huron Drive. Okay.